All right. Okay. This is how to share your file. All right. Now this is the book. Let's say you want to send this book. All right. This is the book we are done. All right. So this is how it's going to look like. This is the inside of it. All right. All right. Reserved. Then you're going to see introduction. So you see why this one is very important. Okay. It makes it beautiful, right? So we add all of that. Then we'll come down to table of content. This is table of content, right? So your table of content, you just click any of this, all right, to roll down to where, let's say chapter 3. To roll down to chapter 3, see that? It will just move down straight there. Okay, so having done all of this, all right, okay, you can see the last part is this part about the author. You have your beautiful photo in here, all right? They can message you on WhatsApp now, okay? Contact us on WhatsApp. So you don't just put the number, or rather you make it as a link. So when you tap it, okay, to roll down to meet the person, okay, the person will send a message to you like this. Exactly. All right. So how do you share this book is what I'm interested right now. So this is how you share the book now. So what you do, just click on these three dots. Click on these three dots. Then you go to see manage access. All right. Tap it. Then you go to you see restricted. Okay, you can see this restricted. Now this is where it is. Now this is actually restricted. So if you send a link to this to anybody who want to, okay, look at, okay, let's say if you want to change this, just tap on change, tap this place, then you're going to see anyone with a link. This is restricted right now, but if I want anybody to just have it, I just tap anyone with a link. So this way, if I send a link to the person, all right, the person can also start sharing it with anybody without restriction. Is it clear? But I don't want it to that because you go to pay for it. I mean, you want people to pay for it. It's not a free book. Since it's not a free book, what you do is just tap back again and then make it restricted. Tap on restricted. Okay, updating it now. You see that? Restricted. So what do you do? Go back. Now, if you want to share it, what you do is what you click on copy link. Click on copy link. You see, the link has been copied. You can see down here. Link copied, right, to clipboard. So that link you have shared, right, you have copied, you can go back and shorten it. Make it a little, I hope you know how to shorten books, right? I mean, shorten link. If you know how to shorten your link, what you do is you shorten link and you share it with the person. Let's say I want to share it with Stu, right? So I'll just come down here and then I will just say, like, I will look for your name, for instance. Where are you now? Okay, so let's say I can just drop it like this here. Okay, so the link has been shared. We can see that the link has been shared with Coach Grace. You see that? So when that is done, when the person tap it, okay, when the person tap it, they go to ask the person to drop it. Look at it. Because now I have access to it now, okay, it will come straight to the book. But the person that don't have access to the book, okay, what will happen is the person have to send an email. You ask the person to send an email to you. Then from the email, you okay it. You go to your email inbox, you okay it, and the person can have access to it. And that person cannot share with another person because anybody who to click on that link will have to ask for your permission before they can share it. Do you understand? So this is how it is, all right? If you understand, go ahead. If you don't understand, please feel free to ask, and then I'm going to put it through. God bless you. This is Dostam K.